How to design a Shopify store for beginners. Hey guys, welcome. In this Shopify tutorial, I will show you how you can design a Shopify store as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. First of all, you'll go to shopify.com and you can sign up using your email address or your Google account. Shopify is one of the most famous platform to sell your products and create your own store. So once you have created your store, you will simply go to your admin. This is our admin right here, and I'll show you how to design a Shopify store. We will design our shop front today. So for that, once you have created your account, you will simply get an online store here, which is the default store. So I'm actually gonna click on view your online store, and this is the store that we have right now. Okay, you can see we have nothing here. We just have this default template available, such as the products. The products will be shown here. At the top, we have like home, catalog, and contact. So let's start designing. For that, you actually have to click on online store and it opens up the other options for us, such as the blog post, page, navigation, and preferences. And the first option is going to be themes. Now, when it comes to designing, the first step is selecting a theme for your store. So for that, inside themes, you can scroll down and you will be able to explore the theme gallery here. So we have popular free themes made with core features you can easily customize. Now here I will select any of the themes. Let's go with Dawn, which is also the default theme. Once you select a theme, it shows right here. You can see this is our store. Now click on customize. Once you click on customize, it takes you to your store, and this is where the designing happens. We have a template ready, we have a theme ready, and now we need to customize it. With Shopify, we can add headers, announcement bars, we can add images, products, we can add our featured products here, we can add footers. So first of all, let's start with our header. Now, in our header, you can see we have our home, catalog, and contact. And here we also have our search bar and we have our add to cart. So here, if I want to add a section, we simply click on add section and it allows me to add an announcement bar here. We can add apps or we can add the custom liquids here. So we will customize the header that we already have. For that, I'm going to click on the header and we have our main menu. So we can add a drop down menu here. We can add a mega menu or a drawer here. Then we have our sticky menu available too. So for Shopify and the themes we have with Shopify, we don't need to kind of like add integrations for different types of menus. They're all available within the theme. Then we can even select the colors and schemes. We will select our country and region selector here, language, spacing, and more. So with my header, I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a pretty simple looking header, but I will customize it as we, add more and more products, or if I add more, information and pages here. Moving on, we have our announcement bar, and this announcement bar says welcome to our store. This is fine with me. So after the header, I'm going to move to our banner image here. You can see we have our template and image banner. So to customize this, you select the image here, and then we can select an image or we can upload image from our computer. So click on upload and you will be able to upload the images that you have taken. So I'll simply do that. So you can see this is our banner image, and we can add more than one image too. We can add first or second image. Then we can of course select the image overlay opacity here. We can select the height, the desktop position, we can select the animations and more. So now what I will do is I'll move to our text here which says browse our latest product. So this is like the heading, but I'm gonna change it to, let's say I want to add shop now, or we can even add a tagline here, anything you want to. So I will be going with large. Then we're going to go back. We will add the buttons. In buttons, again, I can add shop all. From shop all, I'm going to go with buy now. This is how you customize the buttons. It's really easy. Here you will add all product link, or you can actually add one product link here to take your customers to a specific collection or product. Then we have add section or blog. So if I want to add more blocks or sections to this, template here, I can do that. Let's say I want to add another block into this, section, which is the image banner. So a text will be added right here. Or if I want to add a brand new section, then we can just hit add section. And this is where we can add different types of section to our store. So we have featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, image with text, image banner, slideshow, collage, multiple column, multiple row, video, and more. So I actually want to add my featured collection here. So I will click on add and it will be added. Let's add another section, which is going to be a video. So I'm going to go with video here because video is kind of like gives our store a very visualized view and it looks really cool. So I've added these two new sections. So once your new section is added, you can completely customize it, as I said. So you just click on the featured collection here, and now we can change the name, the heading. We can change the heading size. We can change the description. We can change the layout, the size. Everything will be added here. So I'm going to go back. Similarly, I can scroll down to the video section here, click on the video, and again, I can change my heading. I can select a video to add, or I can embed a URL from YouTube. So this is how we add videos to our store. It's very easy to do. This is how we add sections and how you will add text. Now, it totally depends on you how you want to customize your store and what you want to add to your store. So I'm giving you an overview of how we do it. So once you add sections and blocks, you can move to your footer. So at the bottom here, we have our footer. Within our footer, we have simple our email, but I want to add more things. So what we do is we just go to footers, click on add block, and I can add some brand information. So I will just hit it and you can see now we will be able to add brand information here and I can customize it. This is how you customize a page on Shopify, and you can customize your home page from header to footer. This is how you do it. Now we have different pages here. So this is where you see your pages. We have home page, product page, collections, collection list, pages, blog post, and this is where I can even add more pages if I want to. Keep your store very simple. Don't complicate things in and don't create too many pages. That's what I will suggest. So once you customize one page, you can move to the other one. Then we have some of the theme settings. When it comes to designing and customizing your store, these settings are really important. We have logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, buttons, inputs, media, badges, social media, card, checkouts, and more. So this is where, for example, I want to customize the logo. So you select the image here. You can select a desktop logo if you want to. We have favicon and more. Similarly, the typography is really important. This is where you can select the font of your store and the style. Make sure the style and the designing goes and aligns with your brand, and that will help you get more customers and that will help you create a high quality converting store on Shopify. If you want to add any kind of apps and embed something, so this option will be available here. You can see we have app embeds. So you just search for any of the apps you want to add and you will be able to add them right here. So once you are done with the designing of your store, of course, it will take you some time. Just add all of the videos, the product images. The products and the featured collections are added automatically once you add the products in your admin. Then you can get a preview of your store. You can get a mobile or desktop preview here. Click on save and all of the changes will be saved for your store, and you can go back to your admin anytime you want to, and you can come back to your store to view it. Let's exit in and go back to our admin. You can see this is what our store looks like, and I can do more here with my themes. I can actually now go to products and start creating products to add to my storefront, because now we know how to design a store with Shopify. This brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.